Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to efficiently add a checklist to a card in the Trello app on your phone. Managing tasks becomes much easier when you can break them into smaller, actionable items using checklists. First, open the Trello app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the board and select the card to which you want to manage. Tap on the card to open its details. Then scroll down within the card and tap on the option that says Add Checklist. After that, enter the name of your checklist to describe the tasks or items you want to track. Once you have written your checklist, look for the Save icon at the bottom right of the screen and tap on it to confirm your checklist has been added. Finally, you can start checking off items as you complete them, helping you monitor progress efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.